Chevy Vortec V8 Bubble Eye. We got a Bubble Eye today. Let's check it out. Bubble Eye Chevrolet. So we got a 2001 Chevy Silverado Bubble Eye, and this thing is nice. I've worked on this before on this channel, so man, nice and clean. 2001, 2002 were the best year Silverados in my mind, but it's a Z71, 16-inch rims. Check this out. I wish I could feel this. Under 100,000 miles, feels brand new. Like all the latches and stuff. So, we got leather. It's not even cracked right here. Oh yeah. Man, this thing is nice. 4x4 up here. Yeah, it's even got the cassette player right here. I put an aftermarket head unit in here not long ago, but let's crank it up and see how it runs. Pop the hood. Y'all know the drill. Let's pop the hood. Yeah. Oh yeah. Vortec. 5.3. So this has got a 5.3. Same as the 4.8 on the Cateye I normally work on. We need to go in here and tune this whole thing up. It's about to hit 100,000 miles. So that's why I'm making this video, and we'll be back, you know, doing the 100K service on this thing. But I just wanted to show y'all, give y'all a little teaser here. Check out the Bubble Eye before we tune it up. Yeah, man, this thing is clean. All right, the truck's clean. The engine is a little dirty, but y'all know what I mean. Battery's good. We have, yep, nice antifreeze in the coolant reservoir. That thing is always brown, but it's running good and it's nice and clean in there. And oh yeah, I did this last summer for the customer, and it's running great now. That's why I got all those videos on tuning up the AC recharge. So that is doing real good, and it's blowing nice and cold. So, less than 100,000 miles on a truck from 2001, right? Y'all tell me how rare that is. So, we found this thing years ago on Craigslist. It was garage kept, owned by an old man. It was like $12,000, and it had, I want to say around 40,000 miles at the time. That was a long time ago. He's had it for a long time. So, I've been maintaining it for him, y'all know. So we made some videos on this in the past. I hadn't found a deal like that in a long time. It was a great deal, but we're gonna crank it up here, and he brought it here to check it out. You know, we got to do a 100,000 mile service on it, which is wild. But if y'all want to follow that service, I mean, it's the same pretty much for 200K, 300K, you know. So let's crank it up, see how she's running. Oh yeah, that runs real good. So take a look down in there. What do you see? Boom, 95,480 miles for a 2001. That is wild. So everything's going on good up here. No problems, good oil pressure. Let's take a look at that. Yep, that's good. Fuel, oh yeah, we replaced the fuel pump on this thing, the fuel level sending unit. That's not broken. And then yeah, good fuel temperature. Then yeah, good engine coolant temperature, and it's charging good. So there's no problems up here at the dash. Oh yeah, it's running good. I'll let y'all listen to it for a second here. Oh yeah, looking good. I always love these Bubble Eyes. They always look mean with that hood, especially the 2500 HDs. They look like they were ready to go to work, pounce, you know. Mean stance. And it's still got all its leaf springs. So I love Cateyes, but these Bubble Eyes are my favorite. The 2001, 2002 are the best years Silverados ever made. In my mind, you know, with electronics and all that. I know we can debate the old square bodies, you know, everybody's got their favorite, but I like the 2001, 2002 Bubble Eyes the best. I bet y'all didn't know that, and now you do. But we got Cateyes, they're newer, right? They're better, they're newer. These 2001s have a lot of miles on them at this point, but this one doesn't. So it could use some tires. They're not wearing too good. Might have to deal with that. And then toolbox in the bed, UWS. That's real nice. Look at this. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, the Bubble Eye taillights. And they got the different taillights than the Cateye. They're like smooth. The Cateye's got like rounded a little bit. Oh, here we go. Here's something to work on. We need to change this out, but it still feels brand new when we pop it. Oh yeah. Close it. Wow. Silverado. Man, that thing is clean, and the paint's still good on it too, from 2001. I wish the paint was this good on the Bubble Eye. I do remember he had to put a windshield in it. Had a problem. They were snowball fighting, you know, in the snow. Guy threw a snowball up there, and then something about the temperature difference, I don't know, it cracked it. Yeah, it was not fun. Oh, and then this has got the chrome mirrors from 2001. Bubble Eye retro style. Give a little bit of gas. A little more. All right. All right, that's it for the video. I just want to give y'all a sneak preview of one of these Bubble Eyes that hadn't hit 100K yet before we work on it, because they're rare. There aren't that many of them left on the road, especially in this condition. So we're gonna get it tuned up, 100,000 miles. Stay tuned for that video. You know, spark plugs, wires, engine oil, differential fluid, front and rear, because it's a 4x4. You know, maybe brake fluid, air filter. We'll come up with some stuff to get it tuned back up so that it's running in tip-top shape. No problems for now. I will check y'all out on the next Chevy truck video. Don't forget, drop me a huge thumbs up down below, and don't forget to subscribe for more Chevy truck tip videos in the future. Later.